Right. This is the kit of parts for the crochet hook that I turned earlier. The first thing that you assemble I've got quite bad arthritis in my fingers, and some assembly jobs are quite difficult. But you just have to carry on. Right, I'm just tidying up the end. So I'm a bit of a perfectionist. First thing to press in is the clip end. Some people don't like the clip on, but what you can do, you can undo that screw thread there. Take the clip off. Put the end cap back on. Now, if anybody's watching this video and does wood turning, I want to go on these kits from CS Crafts. Little tip for you. When you're pressing in the nib end, just put the screw cap maybe just one turn, because if you're not careful, you can bend these little lugs. This is what arthritis does to me. I can't grip small items. But people who know me know that I don't give up. I won't let arthritis or Tourette's or anything hold me back. And what I always do, even though I've used the cap to save squashing this, I'll always get a rivet and just even them out a bit. So what we can do now is, whenever I put a hook on to as demonstration on the stall, I always put the 3mm. Every single one of the hooks, I will always put 3mm on. Then, if you, like me, I'll have all the remaining 7 sizes in the little bag it came in. That'll go in one of my boxes. That'll go in my boxes with the crochet hooks and my razors and so forth. And when somebody buys one, just hand them a pack of hooks. You know then you're not going to be giving them a pack of hooks and they've got 2 size 5s in because you've got them put the wrong hook on. So that's a completed hook. And these are very, very good sellers. I even get quite a few men who do knitting and want to take up crocheting. But a lot of the customers I have, obviously, are women. And some who are born who have got like holiday homes or caravans and chalets. And they'll have a set of the caravan or wherever so they can crochet when they're away. But I do like making these. They are, I wouldn't say an easy kit. For me, it is easy, but if there's somebody who's just starting off, because of the way it's got to be assembled, just get a bit of practicing before you assemble these. Thank you for watching. This is Threads Turner, and see you on the next one.